switch it up. I thought this would be fun. This company reached out to me recently. This is Divvy Up. This is the custom sock company. And yes, they are socks that you can customize. So they did allow me, in exchange for a review, to pick out some pairs of socks and to customize them. So you can do things such as your face, faces of your pets, cats and dogs, for example. And my cat's being mischievous now. Anyways, so I wanted to do this because I thought it was really fun, really quirky. If you're the type of person that likes really quirky socks, now you can customize them, which I thought was really fun, really cool. And also Christmas is coming up and they do have Christmas delivery available. So if you order now, you'll be able to get it in time for Christmas. So if you're having trouble finding, you know, a special gift for somebody, something like this could be really, you could get a picture of both of your faces on the socks, a picture of their pet, or just something funny. So I haven't looked at this yet. This is still sealed up. So this will also be my first impression to see how my order turned out. So hopefully it turns out well because we're doing this live. So I'm cutting this open and I'm just going to reach in. Okay, this is great. This is my cat. This is my cat Magic. I sent them a rare picture where she's looking straight at the camera. And you know what? We'll see if we can actually insert my cat in here so you guys can see how well they got this. And take a look. Yeah. No. So this is Magic. Okay. So if you look really close, it's paw prints, it's fish bones, and it's Magic. My cat. This is adorable. So let's go ahead and take this off. And let's take a look at the socks. Oh, these are so cute. So you can customize a pair of socks starting at $24. And of course they do have bundle deals. So the more you order, the more you save. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. The turnaround time was really fast on these too. I put my order in on the website. You upload pictures. You pick out the designs you like. You pick out the background color. Like I wanted this pair to be blue. And the turnaround time was really fast. I got these within a week of ordering them. So that's pretty awesome. So I ordered 5 pairs. And like I said, I haven't looked at these yet. So I'm literally just digging in the bag and we'll see. Oh, ah, yes. Yes, that is most definitely me. And this is the Christmas theme. Oh my goodness. So let's cut off the little thing here. Whoops. Let's take a look at these. Oh my gosh, this is too funny. Okay. These are amazing. Whoops, and we still got like the plastic little tag thing in there. We'll get that out in a second. But look at this. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. So obviously this is Christmas themed. I got it with the green background. It has my face on it, one of my recent face of the days that I posted on Instagram. You got a little Santa hat, and of course we have presents. This is hilarious. So the overall quality of the socks feel quite nice. Oh, now we get to stretch my face. I love how this one has like the Santa hat like right on top of my head. That is great. These are hilarious. Okay, we got 3 more to jump right in. And oh, this one might be hard for some of you to read. This is, try not to get emotional. I didn't expect that. My dog passed away 2 years ago, and this is Puzzy. And Puzzy was almost 9 years old, so she was an 8-year-old Shar-Pei. And if you're not familiar with the Shar-Pei breed, they're a very wrinkly dog, and she had a ton of wrinkles in her face. She had a really smooth body and a very wrinkly face, and they really captured her face. Sorry, I don't want to weep on camera. That was really unexpected. I actually forgot I ordered that. I didn't expect it to be so accurate. I honestly thought this unboxing might be kind of funny because I figured things wouldn't look that good, but this is her spot on. And I'm really touched. Ordered it with the pink background. It has the dog bone, has the paw print. And I love the blue toe. I love it's like all pink, and then all of a sudden there's just the blue reinforced toe. Forgive me, I'm okay. We can keep going, but I'm really surprised at how well this came out, and that's such a nice little reminder of that dog. I got 2 more items. Oh, here we go. This one is just a text one. So this one's a little bit more simple, and I'm pretty sure the text space is limited. So I'm not sure how long of a word you can put. So in this case, I just used my name, but you could probably put an object that you like. But it literally just says, I love Heather. Me. Oh my gosh, I'm crying on camera here. Give me a moment, I'll be back. Okay, I went ahead and collected myself. I promise I'm okay. I was just really touched. Those were happy tears, sentimental tears, not devastated mourning tears. But wow, that just shows you the power of a gift like this. A little bit of personalization can go a long way, and I'm just psyched. So this one is I Love Heather, which is me. I'm Heather. And I just did this as a form of self-love. No, but I thought this was really funny. And you can put, I don't know, I love pizza. And you can change the color of the socks. Like, I went ahead and chose, actually, I believe this color is also called Heather. And it's got the blue toe reinforcement on this one. But I like that it is clear, it's easy to read. You can clearly see that says, I love Heather. You're not like, what does that say? So really good quality. I'm really impressed by the printing. And I also really just think this looks really quirky and funny. But you can change, this could be a different background, blue, red, pink, green, and just have a different background color. And you can personalize with a text. Like I said, I think the text space is probably limited. I don't know the exact character count, but I think that's pretty cute. You could even, like, if you got a new boyfriend or girlfriend and you want to pop the L word, the I love you, this is a cute Christmas gift to, like, say it with socks, you know? And this is the last one. Oh goodness, here's another pair with my face on it. Okay. And here the thing already fell off, so that's cool. Oh my god, this is so funny. It says, this is actually, this is actually my passport picture. If you're wondering why it looks maybe a little different, in my passport picture, I'm not wearing makeup and I'm also like 5 years younger. But I've always liked that picture, so here's another pair on it. This one I have with the purple background. There's hearts. There's my gorgeous passport picture face. The detail on this is really quite fascinating. I'm really impressed with how well they're able to capture your face, your likeness of your pets, of yourself on here. So I do have a link if you want to check out Divvy Up. The link's going to be right up here, and feel free to check it out. If you go through that link, I do get an affiliate commission. So heads up, if you don't want to go through that link, just don't go through that link. Just go to Divvy Up directly. That's fine. But thank you guys for watching, and I'm sorry I cried on camera. You know, I don't do that ever. So, and thank you Divvy Up for sending me these wonderful socks. And thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video.